If your brine tank is full of salt for a long time and your water is not as soft as it should be, you're likely dealing with a salt bridge. So, what exactly is a salt bridge? Picture this. A hard, crusty layer of salt forms in your brine tank, creating a barrier that prevents the salt from dissolving into the water below. Even though your tank looks full from the outside, that salt is not reaching the resin bed and doing its job, which is why your water remains hard. We'll show how to remove that stubborn crust, but before that, let's learn what causes a salt bridge in the first place and prevent it. Reason number 1, high humidity. When the air around your water softener is too humid, the moisture can cause the salt in your brine tank to clump together, forming a solid bridge. To prevent this, it is crucial to keep your softener in a dry environment. If that's not possible, consider using a dehumidifier to reduce the humidity around the unit. Reason number 2, poor quality salt. The use of low-quality salt, like rock salt with impurities, can lead to clumping and salt bridge formation. These impurities don't dissolve well, which increases the chances of a bridge forming. To avoid this, always use high-quality evaporated salt pellets. They're purer and less likely to cause such issues. Reason number 3, brine tank is overfilled. Overfilling your brine tank is another common mistake. When the tank is packed with salt, the pressure at the bottom can cause it to solidify or stick together, forming a bridge. To prevent this, never fill your tank more than 2/3 full. This leaves enough room for the salt to dissolve properly. All right, here's how to safely remove salt bridge. Step 1. Stop water supply to the water softener by turning on the bypass valve or shutting off the water supply. Step 2. Carefully drain the brine tank using a garden hose. Use a plastic container to scoop out any salt that isn't stuck to the walls. Step 3. Use a pole or hammer to break up the hardened salt within the tank. Be careful not to apply too much force as you don't want to damage the tank. Step 4. Now, take a wet and dry vacuum cleaner and vacuum the entire inside of the brine tank. It will remove any lingering water droplets that may cause salt bridging again. Step 5. Refill the brine tank with high-quality salt, but remember to leave 1/3 of tank empty. Then, turn the water softener back on and run a regeneration cycle to get everything back in working order. In addition to the prevention tips we mentioned earlier, regularly check your brine tank and gently tap the sides to break up any salt that's starting to clump. But salt bridge is not the only problem. Excess iron in water can cause brown sludge in your brine tank. To remove it for good, watch this video next.